the provincial alert log, which you'll see is in the PHSA segment, and I have it in the log entry. On the right-hand side is the work order generator. It's on VCH, and you can see it on the red. We'll tell you how to set it. So what we're going to use is we're going to use left-hand side as a template to fill in all the stuff on the very right-hand side of the alert log. So I'm just going to go through, and they're both in the log entry tab. So I'm just going to copy and paste this side over to that side. Let's go. So I'm just going to pause here, and I'm going to fill this all in. So just a couple things to note is that the instructions for text is going to be our Coles notes for the text. So you can fill that in afterwards. And the SharePoint site, which is what I copied over from here. And I'll give you the text copy of the original alert. And the only thing that I can't copy and paste is the date. So I'm just going to scroll all the way up to the top here and manually enter it in as 10/16/20. All right, and then after that is done, oops, I should have set the sub status to in progress. We hit save, and then the new tab is going to form, which is going to add our assets affected. So usually you'll go into the attachments of the provincial alert log here and get the Excel sheet, but just to save time, I have pulled it up already in here, and these are going to go into the asset tab. So I'm going to switch to assets. Now this is a rare exception to the rule, but I'm going to show you how to do it the correct way. So we'll go into the new asset form, and when it loads, I will show you how to add the assets. So what should pop up after it loads the tab is that it's going to turn into the Lmbme Technologist asset form. What we're going to do is go into the advanced query, and we're going to add VCH, add or equal to VCH. Now you'll have to do it separately for each one. So if this is going to be FHA, I'm going to have to add FHA or FHA and not add anything else. I click OK. And now I can do model name, or I can use the asset numbers that I have listed here, but you'll see why I'm using this way. Which is CU and star and query. So now it should pop up a list. You can see there are 4. What I'm just going to do is confirm that these are all the numbers I want. 670, 674, 733. Yep. So I'm going to select them all. And then I'm going to go and hit the save items. And now they should all populate in here. So I'm going to do save. And that is the first step without generating work orders. To generate the work orders, because if I switch to here, you'll see that there's no work orders generated. In order to generate it, I will go and I'll click auto create and click yes and hit save. And this template will now generate all 4 work orders, which you'll see when you refresh here. There we go. Those are the